I'm going to show you guys my skincare makeup routine. I showed you this in my last makeup video. I'm partnering with Typology again, so I'm gonna give you guys a little update on how my routines change a little bit, what things I'm still loving exactly the same. I'm just gonna put you guys on to Typology because I'm obsessed. I'm so happy to work with them because I actually love and use the products. That was one thing about my last video where everyone was like, oh my gosh, I was hoping for her actual everyday makeup routine, but then it's just like a whole ad of Typology. And that was wild because I talked more about Typology than they even requested me to, the brand, because I was being genuine. This is what I use. This is what I do. I'm just so lucky to work with a brand that I align with so well. So those disclaimers aside, this is for real. This is actually what I use. This is actually what I do. It's not just because it's sponsored. I love the products. So I thought that we would just kind of do this like skincare makeup prep. I'm gonna talk to you guys about how I kind of had to just accept that this style of makeup is what I have to do sometimes, even if it's not so fun to like basically do skincare as makeup, you know? But anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna walk you guys through, give you some tips, especially if you have dry skin. I've been dealing with that a lot lately. I've found a lot of tips that helped me out, and I completely transformed my skin from anytime I would try to do makeup, no matter what the kind of makeup was, it would just look flaky and bad, to clear and glowy. So the number one thing for having some bomb makeup is skincare. If you want to have good looking makeup, you have to have good skincare routine, you know? So as I healed my skin and tried to still wear makeup in a way that's not going to continue to make my skin look bad and also make my troubled skin look the best it possibly can. All right, I'm just going to jump right into it and show you guys what I do. I'll fill in the little tidbits and tips as we go. Let's get started. I'm just gonna spray my face with this toner. I washed it. So this is their moisturizer I've been using with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Products feel so light and simple, but effective. I really like this moisturizer. It's just great. Like, I don't know how to explain how it's thick, but thin at the same time. I think this is great under makeup because it has a lot of moisture, but it doesn't feel too heavy, like it's gonna interfere with your makeup. Okay. Typology also has a tinted line, which I'm gonna get into, that I love. I'm gonna put these peptides in my eyebrows right now. With having dry skin, sometimes flaky skin, this is their tinted serum. So this is actually with vitamin C and aloe vera. I'm just gonna put this on places that I would bronze, just so it's not dark. So I'm being genuine about this. This is the ultimate fix to all of my skin problems and my makeup problems. Like, looks gorgeous. If I would be so exhausted and pass out at the end of the day and not take my makeup off, I would be fine. Now this is my third. I say this is my third favorite product from them that I use. This is their tinted eye serum. So again, tinted skincare, we love it. I'm just gonna put some underneath my eyes. This is the light color. You can also use this on your spots as well. So I'll do this, or if I want to only use the skincare makeup like I'm doing right now, not anything else, I might go a little bit more heavy hand. And there's coverage. Do you see that? Like, that's legit coverage. It's really hydrating. It has caffeine in it, so it's gonna wake up your eyes. Luckily, I've been taking pretty good care of my skin recently, so this amount of coverage is plenty. Now, here is my second favorite product. This is it also has vitamin C and aloe vera. These saved me when my skin was really bad. Also with this, I'm happy to put it all over my face. I did that when my skin was super dry. We're like, okay, we're gonna just put this everywhere to bring more life into our face, and it's gorgeous. They have a line of tinted lip oils. They also just have a clear one. I'm just gonna put this one on my lips right now because I'm feeling dry. This is in powder pink. But yeah, you could put these on your cheeks if you'd like. I did it before, but I have just been using these milk jelly tints. So these jelly tints, they're viral. I'm sure you guys have seen them before, but it's really like a stain. So I like to use these when I'm kind of doing the no makeup. But I also like to use them. Blush always goes away. It's the first thing to leave your face. So to have something that feels like more of a stain underneath at least. So I know I'm relating all of this to like my dry skin problems, but this also will work for you if you have like acne prone skin. If you just find that makeup breaks you out and wearing makeup is making it hard for your skin to breathe and get better, this will be good for you too. This is their peptide serum mascara. So this is tinted black, but it's a serum. You can definitely tell when you put it on your eyelashes, it doesn't feel like a mascara. It feels like a serum, like what it is. But it's a nice little coat and treatment in one. So again, if I accidentally fell asleep in my makeup, or if I just don't want to have like makeup crusty on my eyes, you're a lazy girl like me, like I find at the end of the night, if I have like waterproof mascara on or just a lot of normal mascara, that's the least favorite part for me of removing my makeup. So if it's just like running to the store or on a Zoom call, it's gorgeous, natural. I think I want to use a darker. This is in the color Plum Purple. So this is just a cool tone cream bronzer from Milk Toasted, a sculpt stick. So I like to do this as well. Put like some of this cool tone bronzer on top of my lip. So that really naturally just gives a little poutiness and like fullness to the lips. Our housekeepers are vacuuming right now, so sorry if you hear that, but I'm done. This is it. It looks incredible, right? Like looks super natural, fresh. It's gonna wear great throughout the day. It's really, this is it. Like this is it for me, guys, you know? Of course I love to add more and glam, but this is like a nice everyday, you know, you look put together, get to sit down and do your makeup and get ready and feel pretty, but it's just great for your skin. So I hope that this little skincare, no makeup routine helped you guys out. I think it looks amazing, so beautiful. And genuinely, it's been helping me so much. So hair and makeup is coming so I can do a special video for brand, and then there's tons of events later tonight. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. And thank you again to Typology for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check them out. I swear by the products. There will be a link down below. All right, see you guys soon. Okay, hi vlog. I didn't just get my makeup and hair done. This was hours ago, actually. Basically, I was meant to go meet my friend at this gifting suite kind of vibe. I didn't really like need the clothes for anything, but I hadn't seen her in a while, so I was just gonna go like hang out with her. But she was going from one event to another event, and she was only planning on being there for like 30 minutes, and then it was gonna be later than we were planning, and I was like, I have to go to other events too, and basically I would have just driven like an hour and a half to be there for half an hour. So I was like, this is probably better if I just stay here. But my makeup and hair is incredible. I mean, my hair is kind of flat now. I'll have to touch it up, but does the job. I feel like it's gonna like just stay nice and pretty, whatever, all night. I'm gonna go to a refi dinner, and then after that, this flaunt party. So I have like a specific like cowboy kind of Western look for flaunt. So I'm kind of trying to decide if I want to wear that to refi or wear something else. So I don't know if I made the right choice or not, because I kind of do better when I'm like just on the go and just like, you know what, next spot, we do this, we do that. But when I'm at home, I just like love to lay in my bed and I procrastinate a lot. I put this like whiteboard on my wall, which I'm not gonna show you because I wrote on it. I put the whiteboard on my wall, like a sticky one. Like I'm like, oh, this is gonna be great. And I was gonna put even more up, like multiple pages. You can make like a whole wall if you want. And I put it right here because I'm like right next to my bed. That's what I look at every morning. That's me perfect. And then I realized it's right, like if I wanna use any sunlight that comes into my bedroom and like take photo or video, it will always be in the back. So that's a problem. So being here at home in bed, not going, I'm kind of like slumped a bit, uninspired. I need a new spark to keep going. I just spent so long editing just this transition TikTok, which I didn't plan enough time to plan it out differently before. Am I making sense? I was being lazy when I filmed it, so it made me spend more time editing it. So, you know, maybe next time I'll do it differently. Maybe this is just how it worked out. Makeup is still looking bomb. I'm gonna film something for Anastasia. But before that, I'm going to just go eat something and hang out with Gaia, because I know I'm gonna be gone tonight. I hope I can do her bath time with her. I think I can. That is what's gonna get me going back excited and go hang out with her, hug, little bite. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Hi girlies, I'm vlogging. It was a big box. Yes. Okay, so Dolls Kill. I needed some cowboy gear for tonight and I needed it quick, so I had my assistant pick it up. Got a few extra things that could be other, like Coachella or whatever. All my vlogs are just me opening boxes. First pair of cowboy boots. These are so good. And then these bad boys, honestly, I don't know. I know this belt thing on it is like you could take it off, I think. It's a lot. It is a lot. I'm not sure. What do you think of my cheetah print cowboy boots with a heel and a belt?
So I got this thing. I just saw it and I was like, maybe it could be something, maybe it can't. It's meant to be worn like a harness, but I don't want to wear it that way. I want to hide it like underneath the skirt, like as layers. So I think that there's a possibility. You know, I don't know about all of this going on, how I'm gonna be able to play with that. Maybe I cut some stuff off, but yeah, I think that should be cool. Guys, I just got a package from Rare Beauty and there's dog toys of the products. Like, wait for it. Stop it. This is so, like, I don't want to give it to him because he's gonna ruin it. I think Gaia should have it. No, Leo can have it. If this one opens too, I'm gonna die. Maybe we'll give one to Gaia and one to Leo. So cute. So cute. Your mascara! Hi vlog. I'm still tired. I canceled everything today because too tired. Me and the little girl are eating dinner. Oh, she's eating dinner. Hey girl, sorry. I just got so distracted by how cute you are. Literally becoming a mom or like becoming a parent maybe, or just having a baby you really, really love in your life. Like you become so cringe. Like that was so cringe. I just found out I'm going to Coachella tomorrow and I still have stuff to do during the day here tomorrow. And there's like a lot of work to do, baby girl. And I'm so tired. So I don't know how I'm gonna do all this stuff. I probably should try to just go to sleep early. Wish me luck. But we're going to Coachella. She can't come, but I wish she could. I wish you could come. One year we'll go. Say hi. Hi. Hi, who's that? It's Gaia. Okay, I'm at the Refi event. I'm 40 minutes late. But I hope it's okay. So, what are the shade range?
So the shade range is from shade 1 to 24. I'm going to put you on a 5, 6, and 7. So that'll be, maybe the 5 will be when you're a little bit lighter and you want to add some brightness to your under eye. The 6 will be more of like your natural skin tone, so like your everyday concealer. And then the 7 will just be something you can play around with if you're a little bit more tan.
Is this like an all-in-one?
The concealer. Yeah. It's a concealer. Yeah.
I'm bad right now. I haven't got my goodie bag yet.
Yeah, so it's a concealer, under eye brightener, like it's skin light concealer, very light coverage, and it looks like skin, it feels like skin. It's gonna make you feel amazing. Yeah, no problem.